Dear students, yesterday we have started with the potentiometer. What is potentiometer? What is the principle of potentiometer? Then we have seen theory of potentiometer. We have seen the construction of potentiometer. Also we have seen uses of potentiometer. What is the use of potentiometer? That also we have seen. Today we have to start with sensitivity of potentiometer. Now sensitivity of potentiometer means what? When we will say that the potentiometer will be more sensitive if it measures very less potential difference accurately. If the potentiometer is measuring very less potential difference more accurately, then that is called as the sensitivity of potentiometer. Now how to increase the sensitivity of potentiometer? To increase the sensitivity of the potentiometer, we have to keep the potential gradient lower. Now potential gradient yesterday we have seen phi. If we keep the potential gradient very low, that is smaller the value of phi, greater will be the sensitivity of the potentiometer. So sensitivity is inversely proportional to potential gradient phi. Phi it is. So sensitivity is inversely proportional to potential gradient. What is the value of potential gradient? Potential gradient yesterday we have seen it is V by L. So when we put V by L, L will go in the numerator. So what will happen here? S is proportional to L by V. V is equal to what? IR. So sensitivity of the potentiometer is directly proportional to length. It is inversely proportional to current in the primary circuit, and it is inversely proportional to the resistance of the wire. So what we have to do? If I have to increase the sensitivity of potentiometer, I have to decrease the current. I have to decrease the resistance of the wire. And what I have to do? I have to increase the length of the wire. So in case of potentiometer, yesterday we have seen that potentiometer is coming in two types, that is 4 meter and 10 meter. So understood now? If 10 meter potentiometer we will take, then its potential sensitivity will become more and more accurate. Sensitivity will be what? Very high. So sensitivity S is proportional to L by I into R. Now how we can increase the sensitivity of potentiometer? Sensitivity can be increased by increasing the length of the wire. Second, decreasing the current in the potentiometer. Third, decreasing the potential gradient. Fourth, increasing the total resistance of the primary circuit. If we increase the total resistance of the primary circuit also, we can increase the sensitivity of the potentiometer by decreasing the resistance of the potentiometer wire. So just now we have seen S is inversely proportional to L by IR. If we decrease I and R and if we increase L, sensitivity will be increased. तो समझ में आ गया? So sensitivity of the potentiometer and how to increase the sensitivity of the potentiometer. These two things we have seen. Next comes, what is the difference between the potentiometer and the voltmeter? Potentiometer is based on the null deflection method. Voltmeter is based on the deflection method. Voltmeter is depending on what? Voltmeter is based on the deflection method. Potentiometer is based on null deflection method. Second thing, potentiometer measures the EMF of a cell very accurately. It measures what? EMF of the cell very accurately. Second thing, voltmeter measures the EMF of a cell approximately. क्लियर हो गया? सो वोल्टमीटर जो है वो EMF of the cell measure करता है approximately. But what this potentiometer will do? It will measure the EMF of the cell very accurately. Third thing, in case of potentiometer, current is not drawn by it from the cell whose EMF is to be measured. जिसका EMF हमको मेजर करना है, उस केस में करंट ड्रॉ नहीं होता है पोटेंशियोमीटर के केस में. मगर वोल्टमीटर के केस में क्या होता है? करंट इज ड्रॉन फ्रॉम द सेल हुज EMF इज टू बी मेजर. जिसका भी EMF मेजर करना है उसमें से करंट ड्रॉ किया जाता है वोल्टमीटर के केस में. फोर्थ पॉइंट, पोटेंशियोमीटर एक्ट्स लाइक एन आइडियल वोल्टमीटर of infinite resistance. Potentiometer acts like ideal voltmeter of an infinite resistance. Voltmeter, it is an ordinary instrument of finite resistance. Voltmeter क्या है? Ordinary instrument है of finite resistance. Potentiometer is used to compare the EMF of cells to measure internal resistance of the cell. Potentiometer is used to compare the EMF of the cell. Second, to measure the internal resistance of the cell. But voltmeter is used only to measure the potential difference between the 2 points or the terminals of the cells. Potentiometer is, in case of potentiometer, sensitivity is very high. But in case of voltmeter, sensitivity is low. Potentiometer is of large size and वोल्टमीटर इज ऑफ वेरी स्मॉल साइज. तो ये हो गया तुम्हारा डिफरेंस बिटवीन द पोटेंशियोमीटर एंड द वोल्टमीटर. वंस अगेन यू जस्ट सी फर्स्ट पॉइंट, पोटेंशियोमीटर इज बेस्ड ऑन द null deflection method. Voltmeter is based on the deflection method. Potentiometer measures the EMF of a cell very accurately. Voltmeter measures the EMF of the cell approximately measure करता है voltmeter. In case of potentiometer, current is not drawn from the cell whose EMF is to be measured. Voltmeter में क्या होता है? Current is drawn from the cell whose potential difference EMF is to be measured. Potentiometer acts like an ideal voltmeter of infinite resistance. But what about the voltmeter? It is an ordinary instrument of finite resistance. Potentiometer is used to compare the EMF of the cell. Second, to measure the internal resistance of the cell. ये दो चीज़ें हैं पोटेंशियोमीटर से हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. वोल्टमीटर में it is used to measure the potential difference between the 2 points on the terminals of the cell. Potentiometer, its sensitivity is high. In voltmeter, its sensitivity is low. Size of the potentiometer is of large size. Voltmeter is of very small size. तो ये हुआ difference between the potentiometer and the voltmeter. We have completed the sensitivity of the potentiometer. Also we have seen how to increase the sensitivity of the potentiometer. Sensitivity of the potentiometer क्या है? Potentiometer is said to be more sensitive if it measures less potential difference more accurately. थोड़ा potential difference भी accurately अगर measure करता है, so then the sensitivity will be what? Maximum. To increase the sensitivity, the value of potential gradient is kept very, very low. Means sensitivity is inversely proportional to the potential gradient phi. What is the value of phi? Phi is equal to what? V by L. So when we put the value of phi, it will become what here? L by V. S is proportional to L by V. What is V? V is the potential. So potential can be written as I into R. So to increase the sensitivity, I have to increase the length of the wire, I have to decrease the current, I have to decrease the resistance. Clear? Next, sensitivity increase करना है पोटेंशियोमीटर का, तो क्या है? We have to increase the length of the wire. Second, we have to decrease the current in the potentiometer. Third, we have to decrease the potential gradient. फोर्थ, इंक्रीजिंग द टोटल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द प्राइमरी सर्किट। प्राइमरी सर्किट का टोटल रेजिस्टेंस इंक्रीज कर दिया तो क्या होगा, करंट डिक्रीज हो जाएगा बाय डिक्रीजिंग रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द पोटेंशियोमीटर वाई। तो ये हमने देखा था सेंसिटिविटी एंड how to increase the sensitivity of the potentiometer. Then we have seen the difference between the potentiometer and the voltmeter. Potentiometer is a more accurate device than the voltmeter. Why potentiometer will be used more? Because it is uses the null deflection method. Voltmeter is not used because it is based on the deflection method. Now next point is derive an expression for internal resistance of a cell in terms of balancing length of the potentiometer. तो हमें क्या करना है, internal resistance of a cell find out करना है using potentiometer. So first understand this diagram. PQ is the length of the wire. Okay, to P a positive end of the battery is connected, negative end is connected to the plug key, and to the plug key rheostat is connected, and upper end of Q is connected to the upper end of the rheostat which is having the negative terminal. मतलब क्या है, P को पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल से कनेक्ट किया हुआ है, Q को नेगेटिव टर्मिनल से कनेक्ट किया हुआ है. इधर RH क्या मीन्स है, rheostat. What is the function of rheostat? Function of rheostat is to increase or decrease the value of resistance. By increasing or decreasing the value of resistance, we can allow the current flowing in this circuit. तो ये this circuit is called as the primary circuit. ये सर्किट को क्या कहा जाता है, प्राइमरी सर्किट कहा जाता है. ये प्राइमरी सर्किट में क्या कनेक्ट किया हुआ है, बैटरी, प्लग की, इधर प्लग की K1 है, and to this plug key rheostat is connected. Similarly to the point P, we have to connect the cell whose internal resistance is to be found out. अब क्या किया है, ये सेल का और एक नॉन रेजिस्टेंस बॉक्स is connected with a plug key. This is the second plug key, this is the first plug key, and one end of the plug key is connected to the galvanometer, and from the galvanometer jockey is connected. Clear हो गया. So P and Q, these are the two terminals of the wire. To the P, a battery, positive terminal of the battery is connected. From the battery K1 is connected, and to the negative end of the battery is connected to K1, and to the K1 rheostat is connected, and to the upper end of the rheostat Q point is connected. Cell whose internal resistance is to be found out is connected to the positive end of the P is connected to the positive end of the cell, and to this particular cell resistance box R is called as the resistance box. Resistance box is connected to this, and here plug key is there. Plug key K2, and one end of the plug key is connected to the galvanometer, and from the galvanometer jockey is connected. This jockey will be moved from positive terminal to the negative terminal, and where the null deflection is 0 or where the deflection becomes 0, galvanometer shows 0 deflection, there we have to stop, and that distance we have to measure. Clear हो गया. So ये तो हमने क्या किया, ये one more thing, this derivation which we are doing, this is for finding out the internal resistance of the cell. Same practical we have to do for the physics practical. फिजिक्स के प्रैक्टिकल में हमको ये एक्सपेरिमेंट करना है टू फाइंड आउट द इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द गिवन सेल. तो उस वक्त तुमको क्या किया, पोटेंशियोमीटर दिया जाएगा, एक सेल दिया जाएगा, दो प्लग की दिए जाएंगे, रेजिस्टेंस बॉक्स दिया जाएगा, गैल्वेनोमीटर विल बी गिवन, वन जॉकी विल बी गिवन, बैटरी विल बी गिवन, रियोस्टैट विल बी गिवन. द कनेक्शंस वी हैव टू मेक लाइक दिस. तो इस तरह से कनेक्शन करना है. तो अभी हमने क्या देखा, कनेक्शन देखा हुआ है, हाउ टू डू द कनेक्शन, how to find out the internal resistance of the cell using the potentiometer. So with this we have just completed the internal how the connections are to be made with the help of potentiometer to find out the internal resistance of the cell. सेकेंड वीडियो में हम देखेंगे इसका कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्किंग.